Hey there, welcome. Alright, put it up here. Show everybody right here. I got a new camera person. He's got the giggles. Alright. Okay, yeah, as I was saying, welcome to the channel. What the heck is this? It's a miniature bike. They call it a mini bike. Just picked this up at TSC Tractor Supply. I think these things retail for $7.99. They had it on sale for $4.99. Haven't opened it up. Might be full of cinder blocks. I don't know. But let's unbox it and see how it comes. And before we do all this, I want to say appreciate everybody's support. You may see some ads running on the channel now. Actually, any revenue I got, I put it back into this. I'm going to do the same for the other ATV, UTVs, do some upgrades. But we need a fresh ride on the channel. We've got a mini bike, got some stunts in mind, got some things to do with it. We'll see how tough it is and what we can make of it. Let me know if you like it. Let's get this thing unboxed. Should just slide right off the top. Let's see how many cinder blocks are in this thing. All right. Like some stuff's in here. We got a tire. We got something in here too. It's kind of heavy. All right. Let's get a little closer shot. Show you what's going on. Looks pretty much built. Looks like I gotta put on the steering and the front fork with the tire. Probably some headlights, I would hope. And let's get her put together. Alright, let's start opening stuff. You don't want to cut the wrong thing. Looks like no zip ties yet. Got some styrofoam wrapped with some twisty ties. Got another one right here. This, nope, no zip tie yet. Kind of like these. These are big Yeti size bread wraps, right? All right, we got the handlebars off. Looks like a few more things to put on. I don't know what's in here. Owner's manual, some nuts and bolts. Hope we know how to read, and if I read through that, if I get some time, I will. It's in here. Looks like a headlight. Big old beam. One big headlight. All right. Set that down. Front fender well. Or actually rear, looks like. I imagine that's rear, right? Yeah, it looks about right. Check out that black camo pattern. Not too bad. We got a toolkit. Yeah. Nice little toolkit. Front fender, light mount. Yeah, front fender light mount. And then, that's what they say. Now, this thing's heavy, guys. What the heck is this? This is pretty heavy. That's my suspension. So this whole unit weighs about 155 pounds. I feel like this weighs 55 pounds. Let me get going and putting this together. I may just fast forward to this so you can see me move in supersonic mode. But we're gonna make this install go buttery smooth. This is part of the bike. You don't want to leave. You don't want to stand up. And look at this. So I'm going to put this on with one hand. Get it like this. Then look up. It's all shallow. It's a picture. What do you do? Ah, all right. Now we go. Alright. A little out of breath. I'm gonna pause for a second, catch my breath. Point out it does have a kickstand. We'll see it here in just a second. But yeah, got it gassed up. Pulled everything off, stickers and all, the warning labels except for this hairnet. It comes with a nice hairnet. Actually not a hairnet, a shower cap to go over the seat. And I guess that's my title. But here we go, let me jump on it, see if it starts up and see what it sounds like. I am in the garage, so I'm not gonna let it run long. Anyway, first start ever. Just put oil in it. See, I got the choke. Choke is on, fuel's on, starter's on. Alright guys, there we go. I'm gonna let it warm up and test this thing out. Follow me for some more videos. Best one I got, I think I'm gonna do some crazy jumps off this cliff, maybe in the lake. View the picture up here. Let me know what you think. If you'd like to see that. See you on the next one.